Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away.
Let's share the pizza. No way!
That's not fair. I thought we were sharing equally.
Share the pizza equally! It is equal!
No, it isn't!
Don't fight and share the pizza equally.
How?
By learning division. So these are the terms of division. So the this is the divisor, also known as the number that divides it. This is the dividend. It's the number that needs to be divided. And then the quotient is the answer we get from dividing the numbers. And the remainder is what remains after we divide it. To verify to know that your answer is correct, you have to grab the dividend. And this is like the formula. Equals the divisor times the quotient plus how to prove this point, we put the numbers. The dividend is 12, the divisor is 3, the quotient is 4, and the remainder is 0. So 3 times 4 plus 0 equals 12, meaning 12 equals 12, which is a true fact. So here's our example. So first you gotta find how many 2's is enough to make 4, which is 2. So you put 2 on top and then you drag down the 8. Now we need to find out how many 2's are enough to make 8, which is 4. And now we put the 4 up there, and now we get the last digit, and we need to find how many 2's are to make 4, which is 2. So we put up 2. And now you found the answer. Our first step is to divide 1 by 7, but there's a big problem here. And that's because 7 is bigger than 1. So what we have to do is we have to kind of group them up. And the second problem is that 19 can't be divided by 7. So you have to kind of estimate, and the closest to 19 is 14. So 14 is 2, so we put 2 up there. Now we gotta minus 19 by 14, which is 5, and we gotta put down the 6. So now all we have to do is find out how many 7's are in 56, and the answer to that is 8. So the answer to this question is 28. So now we're gonna do long division. Oh no, this is actually really hard. But I actually know a way to do long division easily, and it's to estimate. So first we've got to estimate 55 into 60 and 155 into 150, and then it becomes 2. And then you put the 2 on there, and then you actually do the math, and then you have a 45 remainder. Then you put down the 2 and you simplify it to 50. Then you put down the 2 and then you simplify that number into 450. And then you divide them, it becomes 8. And then you actually do the math and it becomes 12, and you put down the 8. Then you drag down the 6. You simplify the 55 into 60. And then you simplify 126 into 120, and then you get 2. You put 2 up there and you actually do the math. You have 16 left. You drag down the 5. And then you simplify that to 50. And simplify that into 150. It's 3. You put 3 up there. And then that's the end. But I know an easier way to find the answer. Siri, what is 155,265 divided by 55?
The answer is 2.